Hey there, everyone. Joe here, and welcome back to Business with Joe. First off, I want to say a huge thank you for being part of this journey. Whether you've been here from the beginning or you're new to the channel, your support means the world to me. Now, I've been reflecting on what we've built here together, and I want to ask you something important. Are you getting what you came for from Business with Joe? Are we giving you the value, insights, and motivation you need to grow in your business journey? We've covered everything from starting your first business to scaling your operations, tackling challenges, and, of course, those insider tips and strategies that make a difference. But the truth is, this channel isn't just about me, it's about you. Your growth, your success, and your goals. So here's the big question: should we keep going? And if we do, what do you want to see more of? Do you want deeper dives into specific topics? More interviews with successful entrepreneurs? Maybe live Q&A sessions or step-by-step tutorials? Whatever it is, I want to know. Your feedback is like gold. It helps me shape this channel to be exactly what you need. So, here's what you can do. Drop a comment below, shoot me a message, or fill out the quick feedback form linked in the description. And don't hold back. If there's something you love, tell me. If there's something we could improve, I'm all ears. This is our chance to make Business with Joe the best resource it can be for you. So let me know, what do you think? Are we hitting the mark, or is there something we can do better? Because I'm here to help you succeed, and together, we can take this channel, and your business, to the next level. Thank you again for being part of this amazing community. I can't wait to hear from you. See you in the comments, and until next time, keep building, keep growing, and keep chasing those dreams. You've got this.